Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Nobody likes to scoop their dog's poop, right? However, I found a tool from Pawler that actually makes a very disgusting job quick and easy. This is an awesome pooper scooper. So I have tried several different styles, and truthfully, this particular style is my all-time favorite. The reason is, for one, the metal rake does an excellent job at getting up and under the grass to be able to pull the turds up and into the tray. I also like that this is not an enclosed waste tray. That's what we had before, and I found that to be more cumbersome, and we would have more issues with the waste falling out. This one we don't. I will take a trash bag and put it in a 5-gallon bucket, dump the waste in there. That's how I dispose of it, and it makes it really simple. I like that the rake hooks onto the waste pan and it stands upright on its own, so it's easy to store it. For cleanup, we just hose it down. So simple. We have a large dog. He is probably close to, if not over 100 pounds, and we can get several of his duties in here. So I think this would work very well for any size dog. Obviously, nobody likes this job. It's disgusting, but this pooper scooper really does make it much easier and less grotesque. And that's my point of view.